Henry, and I'm here today with my partners Max Martino and James Anderson. Now, our team lives and breathes through outdoor recreation, and we've seen firsthand the talent that exists here. We've also seen the great ideas for tools, gear, and equipment that are locked inside the minds of great athletes and innovators. They face a challenge, and it's not creativity. It's access to fast, affordable prototyping. This is why we are here today to present our vision for the future of innovation in outdoor recreation. Our vision for the future in outdoor recreation is HDM. Outdoor innovation made possible, made locally. HDM doesn't want ideas to just be a conversation. Too often, we see people with innovative concepts for technologies, products, and equipment that never make it past the first sentence. To explain more on the problems that HDM is solving, I'm going to hand the conversation off to Max.
Thank you, Sete. Behind me, you guys will see an actual email chain with Brazos. This is a local startup here in Utah working with a middleman to an overseas manufacturer. It took over 6 weeks to get our samples back after multiple emails, file versions, and design misunderstandings. And that's the problem. For local innovators, prototyping takes months, not days. You have to design, send files overseas, wait for revisions, and then pay a premium just to get your product back into your own hands. And every delay kills momentum. That's exactly why we created HDM Manufacturing. We design, prototype, and manufacture outdoor components right here in Utah. So whether you're a startup founder or just an athlete with a great idea, you don't have to wait 6 weeks. You can get your prototype in just a few days. At HDM, you don't just get a part made, you get a partner who helps you refine your design, make real-time adjustments, and even start small batch production for manufacturing. By keeping our fabrication local, we save your time, your money, and eliminate the overseas communication barrier, which slows your innovation.
Thank you, Max. It shouldn't come as a surprise, hopefully, that we think Utah is the ideal place for a company like this one. After all, we have a $9.5 billion outdoors recreation economy, which employs 72,000 employees across the state of Utah. We believe this is the reason why there are over 100 outdoor gear companies that are headquartered in Utah. But we're not just an outdoorsy state. We're the startup state. At least that's what the billboards tell us. There are over 500 entrepreneurship groups that come out of the Lassonde Institute alone every year. Not to mention the other startup incubators across the Salt Lake Valley, Utah Valley, and at the various universities in our state.
These startups and innovators are our target audience. They are small teams, athletes, and solo founders that are looking for affordable, fast prototypes. We also serve local companies and R&D teams seeking a trusted partner for rapid innovation and confidential design services. HDM is going to keep running through 3 streams of revenue. Through prototype contracting and design consulting, we are going to build a strong cash flow that will keep operations constant and flexible. To create consistent revenue, we are going to create a membership program that will give users priority access to our resources, including specialized equipment and rapid turnaround times. This will turn clients into ongoing collaborators.
Our adoption strategy is very simple. We're going to start here at the University of Utah and work with and become the go-to prototyping partner for student founders at the Lassonde Entrepreneur Institute. We then plan to expand with outdoor companies like Shifties, Phantom, Duck, Going Outdoors, and Brazos. Then we'll expand to Utah's growing network of makerspaces and incubators. This will allow us to reach Utah founders all around the area who are ready to prototype. There are a few prototyping options out there, with Fluganics being our closest competitor. They operate like a traditional design agency, although they're slow and expensive for startup founders and not focused directly on the outdoor space. HDM is built different. We're fast, local, and built by outdoor enthusiasts who actually use the gear that we help create. And that lived experience gives us a competitive advantage.
So, we are asking for $200,000 in exchange for 25% of our company. This money will be used to purchase new materials and equipment so that we can expand our services. This will be used to rent an innovation space where we can collaborate and innovate effectively. And it will be used to launch a marketing campaign across the state of Utah to really cement our branding in the minds of our potential customers. We hope that you will take a chance and support the ideas that your own friends have that deserve to be turned into real products by investing in HDM today. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll be happy to take your questions.
Wondering, guys, are there any particular types of equipment that you need just to do outdoor type products?
The type of equipment we are looking to gain includes industrial 3D printers and CNC equipment currently. We also are looking into fabric equipment, so sewing machines, embroiderers, and that type of technology. Yes.
When do you anticipate that the $200,000 worth of initial investment will pay off as a return on investment based on your membership costs and upfront costs?
So with the research that we have performed into operating costs and the revenue that could be earned from memberships and possible prototyping contracts, we're looking at about a 3 to 4 year return on that initial investment.
Thank you so much.